When we open the planner, we can see a bookmark which is same as that of the cover page of the book, which says find your balance. The planner is from the Journal Lab. I bought this from Amazon. You can check the description box for the link. Next, we have a page of stickers. If you're a person who loves stickers, it is always better to buy a sticker book because this planner provides only a page of stickers. Next, we have a page which is provided to write our personal information like our name, email ID, contact number, etc. In the next page, we have a very simple and minimal introduction of the planner. In the next page, they have given an overall idea of how to use this planner. This would be very helpful for those who are beginners in planning. Personally, I found this helpful. To the next page, they have given goals for the year, which can be work-related, family-related, personal or social. There you can plan your timeline as well as things you should be doing new this year. Next, we have a books to read column, skills to acquire column, wish list, places to visit, qualities to work on, your best traits. You can write all those personal interests in this page. Next page is completely for your priorities, things that you live for, things that you would be nice to have. Next, we have a page to write down things that makes you happy. And next comes what I love the most about this planner. They have given many alternatives of what you should be doing when you feel low. As you can see, talk to a friend, indulge in your favorite hobby, read out from happiness jar, take a long shower. People who inspire me, who is in your inner circle. Here we have month at a glance page where you can note down your important events and appointments for the month. You have a special column for birthdays as well as for your notes. Next page is going to be your monthly planner where you can jot down your goals for the month, your to-do list, then your important dates and appointments, then your shopping list. We have a mood tracker where you can rate your moods for 30 or 31 days and a habit tracker in the next page. You have a monthly budget planning session too, which is great. You can write your notes here. Now we have the daily planning section where you can write your daily affirmation, top priorities for the day, which can be work related, family related, self-care related. You can also rate your days in the special column. This page is for journaling. You can write things that you're grateful for, highlights of the day, your thoughts, your feelings and doodles. And that's it. You have similar 30 pages to plan your 30 or 31 days of the month. This is a 4-month planner, so you can plan for 4 months and stay productive and organized.